Winter is here, and what better way to embrace the season than by decorating your classroom door? Are you ready to spark joy, inspire creativity, and welcome students with a magical winter wonderland? In this video, we'll explore the best winter-themed door ideas that will transform your classroom into a cozy, festive retreat. Stick around until the end to find the perfect idea for your classroom. Let's dive in. Why decorate classroom doors for winter? Decorating your classroom door isn't just about making it look pretty. It's an opportunity to inspire creativity, build excitement, and create a warm, inviting space for your students. Here's why it's a must for this season. 1. Sets a festive mood. A creative winter door instantly lifts everyone's spirits. Whether it's a snowy scene or a cozy cabin, it creates a vibe that students look forward to every day. 2. Encourages student engagement. Fun decorations often lead to discussions or even inspire classroom activities. For example, a snowman-themed door could lead to a lesson on winter or even a story-writing exercise. 3. Promotes a sense of community. A decorated door can showcase your classroom's personality, making it a talking point among students, teachers, and parents alike. If you're loving these ideas so far, hit the like button and share this video with other teachers looking for inspiration. What are some unique and modern winter door ideas? Want to stand out from the crowd? These contemporary ideas bring a fresh twist to classroom door decor. 1. Gingerbread house. Turn your door into a delicious gingerbread house with candy canes, gumdrops, and frosting patterns. Bonus: involve students in crafting the candy decorations. 2. Winter in space. Combine snowflakes and planets for a creative spin. Imagine astronauts in winter gear floating through a snowy galaxy. 3. Ugly sweater door. Create a giant sweater design on your door and make it as fun or quirky as possible. Add textures like felt or glitter for a 3D effect. Don't forget to subscribe for weekly content that helps you create magical learning environments. What are some classic winter door themes? The classics never go out of style. If you're looking for tried and true ideas, these themes are guaranteed to shine. 1. Winter wonderland. Think snowy landscapes with glittering snowflakes, icy blue hues, and maybe even a snowman or two. Add cotton for snow and silver accents to make it pop. 2. Festive fireplace. Create a cozy fireplace scene with stockings, logs, and a glowing fire. Personalize it with each student's name on the stockings. 3. Penguins and polar bears. Adorable and easy to craft, these Arctic animals bring fun to your winter door while also teaching about wildlife. Looking for even more ideas? Check out our playlist in the description for similar videos filled with inspiration. How can you keep it budget-friendly? Creating stunning door decor doesn't have to break the bank. Here are some cost-effective tips. 1. DIY with recyclables. Use leftover wrapping paper, old Christmas cards, or even cereal boxes to create decorations. 2. Printable templates. Download free winter templates online for quick and easy cutouts like snowflakes, ornaments, or reindeer. 3. Dollar store hacks. Find budget-friendly items like garlands, stickers, and craft supplies at your local dollar store to maximize creativity on a budget. Find links to the products we used in the description below. How can you make winter doors educational? Why not combine creativity with learning? Here are ways to make your winter-themed door an educational tool. 1. Winter math challenges. Turn your door into a winter puzzle with math problems that reveal a hidden winter message or picture. 2. Seasonal reading corner. Display book covers or favorite winter-themed quotes to encourage students to read during the holidays. 3. Science of snow. Decorate your door with diagrams explaining how snow is formed, making it both beautiful and informative. Want to recreate these ideas? Check the description for a list of all the supplies we used in this video. How can students help with the decorations? Involving students in the process makes the decorations more meaningful and teaches teamwork. Here's how you can make it a collaborative effort. 1. Interactive snowman crafting. Assign each student a piece of the snowman to decorate, scarf, buttons, hat, etc., and assemble it together on the door. 2. Name snowflakes. Have students create unique paper snowflakes with their names on them and use these to frame the door. 3. Handprint garlands. Use painted handprints to create garlands, snowflakes, or even a Christmas tree design. Kids love seeing their work displayed. Let us know in the comments how you involve your students in classroom projects. We'd love to hear your ideas. How can you add a personal touch to your door? Adding personal touches makes your door feel even more special. Here's how you can make it uniquely yours. 1. Student photos. Turn photos into characters like elves, skiers, or snowball fighters to add a personal element. 2. Our class winter memories. Dedicate a space for students to share their favorite winter memories or traditions. 3. Custom messages. Incorporate messages like, "Welcome to our winter wonderland," or "Let it snow in Miss Smith's class" to make it uniquely yours. Check out our other videos for more creative DIY tips and tricks for the classroom. So there you have it. Everything you need to transform your classroom door into a winter masterpiece. From classic themes to modern twists, budget-friendly tips, and ways to involve your students, the possibilities are endless. Which idea are you going to try?